Coursive.io Dropshipping Review. Watch before using. Coursive.io is an AI-powered dropshipping automation platform designed for entrepreneurs who want a hands-off approach to running an e-commerce business. It integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce, offering automated product research, listing, order fulfillment, and AI-driven customer service. The standout feature is its AI product selection tool, which analyzes trends and suggests winning products with high potential. It also provides automated supplier connections, primarily sourcing from AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping. The AI-powered pricing and profit margin optimization help maximize revenue while keeping products competitive. Who is this for? Coursive.io is ideal for beginners who want an automated setup without deep supplier management. It's also useful for experienced dropshippers looking to scale by automating repetitive tasks. The built-in analytics dashboard provides real-time sales tracking, allowing users to make data-driven decisions. The automation extends to order fulfillment, syncing directly with suppliers to process orders without manual intervention. This eliminates human errors and saves time. Additionally, it features AI-generated product descriptions and ad copy, helping store owners quickly list products with optimized marketing content. Now let's talk pricing. Coursive.io operates on a subscription model with tiered plans based on order volume and automation features. While it does save time, the monthly cost can be high, making it more suitable for those already generating consistent sales. Unlike one-time payment tools, it requires an ongoing investment. Another downside is limited supplier flexibility. It mainly works with AliExpress and CJ Dropshipping, which may result in longer shipping times compared to private suppliers or local warehouses. Is it worth it? If you want a fully automated dropshipping solution with AI-driven product research, pricing, and order fulfillment, Coursive.io is a strong option. However, if you prefer hands-on control over suppliers or need faster shipping times, it may not be the best fit. The AI does a good job at streamlining operations, but like any automation, it's not perfect. Manual adjustments may still be needed for branding and unique customer needs. Final verdict: Coursive.io is great for automating dropshipping and scaling efficiently, but it's not for those who want complete supplier control or ultra-fast shipping. If you're looking for a plug-and-play dropshipping system with AI optimizations, it's worth trying. But make sure the cost aligns with your business goals.